Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here, just doing a quick Excel tutorial. You can see here in my Excel spreadsheet, I have two sheets. One is called MAT09A, and these are students in my Year 9 Maths class. And then I have another sheet, ICT09A, and these are the students in my Year 9 ICT class. And I'm trying to check whether the students in my Year 9 Maths class are also in my Year 9 ICT class. So what I'm going to do is in column B, I'm going to type the heading, exists in ICT 09A, question mark. So it's a question to see whether this student exists in this list. Okay, so I'm going to go equals Xlookup. Now, there are 3 or 4 different ways you can do this. Xlookup is just one of the ways. I think this is going to be the easiest way. Xlookup bracket, lookup value. What does that mean? That means what name am I looking up? I'm looking up this name, right? This name in particular is on the same row as the row I'm typing the Xlookup function in. And then I'm going to put comma. You have to put a comma in between each of these options. So second option, lookup array. So what does that mean? That means where am I going to look for this name? I'm going to look for it in the ICT09A sheet. So I click on that, and then I'm going to click on this entire column because I'm looking for Benjamin Cooper in this column. And then I'm going to put comma again. Return array. Just select column A again, because if we find it, what we want to do is to display the name of the student again. You'll see what that means in a second. So I'm going to click column A again. I'm going to finish the bracket, press enter, and you can see that it shows up Benjamin Cooper again because it has found Benjamin Cooper in this list. Does it exist in this list? Yes. Okay. Now I simply go to the bottom right hand corner and double click on this dot, and it's showing me all of these names. Now you can see whenever it has returned the same name, that means it has found it in the list. If it returns NA, that means it does not exist in that other list. So what that means is if I try to find Aiden Brooks in this class, I wouldn't be able to find it. There's no Aiden Brooks, right? So I'm going to repeat the same thing for looking backwards. So I'm going to say, people in my ICT class, do they exist in my Year 9 Math class? Okay, I'm going to equals Xlookup, bracket, click on the name that I want to look up, comma. Then I'm going to go to the Maths 09A sheet, and I'm going to click on column A heading because I'm going to try to look for that name in this column. And then I'm going to type comma, and then I'm going to click on this same column again because I want it to return the same name if it finds it. And then I'm going to finish your bracket, press enter, and then I'm going to click on this name that it's found, double click the corner dot. And when it says NA, it means this name, Ava, is not inside my Year 9 Maths class. Okay, then what you can do is you could also put a filter on it. So go to data and go to filter and then click on this drop down arrow. And then you can untick select all, go right down and tick NA, click OK. And these are the names of people that do not exist in the Year 9 Maths class. Okay, so for example, Mason Edwards, you can see that name does not exist here. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.